All right, everybody's got one or should have one. Let's see what's in the box. What is in your to-go box? Looks like we got a 357 revolver. Gotta love that. Got a Garmin 64 ST. Gotta know where you're going. Got the Mora. Oh, Daddy's favorite of all time, the Kershaw. Got 2-3 Glock mags. Got a Glock 17. Always reliable. Got some fire starters. She's got a fire igniter. Water purification. And looks like we even have a steripen. That way, no matter where you're at, you always got good drinking water. Never get lost. Got a good gun. Great ammo. Should be in everybody's kit.